Testing 1 2. Hey, how we doing, fellas? Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday and we are live. Timbo. Good morning, Timbo. R5 Studio, Truth Trader, good morning. Nathan Ramirez, good morning. Ann, good morning. Pamela, good morning. Trader J, good morning. Peter Shapp and NP Lawrence, good morning. Sam Owen, good morning. Dean Bishop, Ace Undercover, good morning. How's it going, everybody? Matty Matt, good morning, Matty Matt. Good morning, Almighty. Let's do this. Let's do this. Daryl Bapty, good morning. Miss Trading, Mo, good morning, Mo. Dove Gordon, Torsten, good morning, Terry. Congratulations on your payout. Let's go. Alua Tosin, good morning. Kiss Me I Cook, good morning. All right, boys. I'm a little bit late, so let's do this. Make sure we have everything set. I've got the right contract. We've got everything, I believe. Hang on. I actually need to... My 4 new take profit accounts. Oh, man, I accidentally... Oh, man, I messed up. All right, you know what? We're going to leave it. It doesn't matter. Make sure we got everything right. We have also... Okay, let me make sure this is right. I should have done this before I went. All right, we'll figure that out after this 3-minute opening trade. Ricardo, good morning. Matty Matt, good morning. Oh yes, we're on the 2-minute chart. Hang on, let's switch. 1-minute chart. Okay, we're finally ready. All right, we have the opening price of 280. 280. So we need to. That is the magic number. Let's see. See what happens. All right. Also, the overnight session. We have a little bit of time here. Overnight session. What was that? This, like last night or at the opening of yesterday's session? I mean, we just dropped literally 100 points. We dropped 100 points and then we recovered 100 points. This drop actually sucked. I took about an $800 loss on that drop on my Tradify accounts, but thankfully recovered with the move higher. Then I recovered it, but that was a crazy drop on the opening price overnight. So, all right, we are now below the opening 280. Down below the 260s now. The pre-market, the overnight low is all the way down here at the 205s. So we're 50 points away from the overnight low. We could be going there. All right, we are 1 minute and 20 seconds away. 1 minute, 20 seconds away. This looks like it's going to be a short. Looks like it. You got wrecked on it too, Timbo? Yeah, it was not any... I did not... At least I didn't think it was any fun. I had a buy order set, and I was buying the dip, and man, it just ripped my face off. All right. Market down through the 250s. All right, we are 40 seconds away. It's time to get ready. We got the right, make sure I got everything right. Looks like we're definitely going to be going short. Unless we see a crazy spike higher here. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. And we're in. Now we wait. See if we get stopped out in 2 seconds. I don't know. It could easily happen. Really need to make new lows here. Really need to make new lows. I don't like this at all. I don't like it. Come on, give me new lows. Yes, come on. Okay, we're taking it. I don't know. I'm just doing it. It's... Let's go. Come on. Rip this thing lower. Just rip it. Do it. Do it. If we get down to the 205s, I might take it off. Feel like that's kind of... Come on, just drop it. Drop it like it's hot. There we go. New lows down through the 220s. Keep going. Let's go. Just keep going, man. Let's go. Down through the 200s. Keep going. I'm gonna take some off here. I feel like it's the smart thing to do. At this double bottom. Not really following exactly my rules, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like discretion is also, it's okay to use discretion. I'm kind of over it. All right, now we just let it ride, baby. We just let it ride. If this wants to keep going lower, we are going to be here for it. If we get stopped out now, so be it. All right. The chat, I kind of missed most of you. Timbo, good morning. Ace Undercover. Coach Captain Crunch, good morning. Tom Bernard, good morning. Good morning, Dab Dog, good morning. Good morning, Jose. Pamela, good morning. John, hey, good morning, John. Shredder, good morning, Shredder. Larry Hudo, good morning. Ricardo, good morning. All right, we're starting to get a little bit of a pump higher here. This could definitely be, we could easily get stopped out here. That's totally okay. Or we could make new lows. Come on, do it. I might not want to do it. Hey, good morning, Kay. Ricardo, good morning. Peter, good morning. Asian Beard Trader, Craft Costanza, good morning. Brent, Citizen Zero, good morning. Sharuz, good to see you, Sharuz. Trader Take, good morning. All right, this is starting to look like we're going to get stopped out on our runner. Honestly, my stop needs to be right here. Do I want to do that? Let me think about this. You know what? I'm gonna have my stop right here. I don't hate that. All right. See if we can make another leg lower. We will hold this until the 15-minute closing candle if we don't get stopped out. If we can make another new low, if we can make a new low here and go through the 200s, ooh, I really like holding this. Now it's pumping it higher. Oh well. We're probably going to get stopped out here. All right, it's the moment of truth right here. And we're stopped. Yeah, it's okay. It's all right. It was still a good trade. Still a good trade. We'll take it. Definitely left. I mean, that's just the way it goes with runners. You just got to accept that you're going to, this is just part of it. Still a good trade. We love it. Hey, Brento, keep up the great work. Love the consistency. Need to see more of this in the community. Hey, no, thank you, Brento. But yeah, we will take it. Good start to the day. Yeah, the trail stop elite page a trader. I mean, I tested doing a trailing stop and it just wasn't worth it. Basically, what I'm looking for and like the purpose of this trade is a continuation of a move. And I mean, it's not unusual to get stopped out on that final trade. That's fine. Now, see, now technically my rules, according to my rules, I don't take another trade until after 10:30, but this is a decent short setup right here. Oh. Kind of want to take this, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to try to follow my rules. Oh, this entry right here at the 47s, I would have taken that. I hope this rips higher now. It'll make me feel better. Ah, there it goes. Might be a trap for the shorts, too. Yep, Dave. Thank you. Hey, thank you, Amakre. Thank you. My trade copier is Replicanto. Thank you, Amelia. I'm getting it's starting to become more natural, but I'm just going to I am going to use a little bit of discretion It's just dumb not to. I don't know. Like here, if we're getting close to a double bottom, I'm going to take some off. It's just smart not, it's just smart. And that was a trap for the shorts. Thankfully, that's why I don't trade. Glad I followed my rule, folks. We followed the rule. She ripping. She's ripping. Looks like we're going to rip this thing higher now. Hey, Nutty, can I maybe get your opinion? You got a payout approved, but they only want to pay me 10% of the payout. Say what, Leo? 10% of the payout because I'm not allowed to go live. Why are you not allowed to go live? Hey, Blaze R, good to see you. By the way, Blaze R, hopefully I'll hear back today regarding your email yesterday. I think 279 is a problem for the Bulls. Actually, that, yeah, I could see that. All right, let's switch to the 2-minute chart. Let's switch to the 2-minute chart here. Actually, now that I look at it, that would not have triggered a short on the 2-minute chart. All right, let's see what happens. Are we going to just keep ripping higher? It does look like it. Can I send you an email with more information? Really need help. Yeah, sure, Leo. You can send it to me. Hey, Daniel Carbonell. Yep, we got FOMC today. So obviously FOMC is going to be interesting. Anyone know if Tick Trader's legit, Sage? Wait, I don't know. Honestly, I'm not sure how I feel about Tick. I was doing some research, and for the time being, I'm not using them, but I don't want to say that they're not legit, but I guess, yeah, we all have to do our own research and come to our own conclusion. I saw that profit trade shut down yesterday. That's unfortunate. Do you have to trade them for 7 days, or can I pass them in less? Yeah, you can pass them in 1 day, Red Clay Trader, if that is your goal. Actually, I need to update my Apex 80% sale ended yesterday. Apex, I'm so used to Apex extending their 80% sale. It's unfortunate. Unfortunate. All right, market. This is starting to, I really have a desire here to go short, but they got to make some more money for Pat's payout. Yeah. You know what I always find funny? If Apex doesn't run a sale, then it's, oh, they need more money. They can't do a sale. But then if they run a sale or extend a sale, they're like, oh, see, they need more money. That's why they're extending a sale. It's like, regardless what they do, it's like, oh yeah, they're short on money. It's like, you got to make up your mind. I'm hoping Apex comes with a 90% off for the holidays. I know Canva trades. Okay, full disclosure. I messed up my formula on my payout video. That spreadsheet, the formula got messed up. Thankfully, I do have a backup, but the backup is 3 months old. So I'm having some issues. I am having some major issues trying to get it to match. Like, I'm trying to get it so it matches up and everything is legit. Yeah, not not cool. But I think I can figure it out, and I think I also sent a spreadsheet to someone like 2 months ago, and I need to find that email because I think in that email I would have a more up-to-date than what I had on my backup. Oh, okay, I see Canva trades. Yeah, I'm really curious. I assume that it's down quite a bit, but I don't know. Has the Fed chop started already? It seems like it. We're definitely kind of starting to chop a little bit, going sideways here. Can't seem to get above the EMA. Can't seem to get above it, but let's wait and see. You're hoping Apex does a 90% for the holidays? We can hope. I don't know. My thoughts on Tick? I don't know. I don't really have any thought. I don't know. I'm not using them. I did my research and I was like, I don't know. I decided not to go with them, but I don't. My credit card company didn't like them and different things, and I just decided, you know what? I'm not going to use them. Hope Apex does 99% off. Man, this is starting to be really choppy here. FTT and Profit Trade has a Christmas sale. Yikes. No, it's unfortunate. Profit Trade. Hopefully no one of you got hurt on that, but again, I mean, I saw the red flag. Profit Trade. Do you guys remember when who was it? Roderick Castilli? Is that his name? Like, that's what I don't understand. Like, I'm not here trying to I'm not trying to start anything, but see, I don't even know how much I can say here, but do you know how many times people contact me trying to get me to promote their prop firms, and especially the new prop firms? Like, I don't think people understand and realize, like, as an influencer, you have a certain responsibility. And when someone when a new prop firm contacts you and is offering you money, like, I'm being dead serious. New prop firms are offering influencers just a set dollar amount to just promote their product and promote their initial launch. And then on top of that, they're offering, hey, we'll double your payout. Like, that's what Profit Trade did. Profit Trade was offering double their payouts for the month. Right when they started up doing it, it's just, I don't get it. I mean, I do get it. I do get it. It's a hey, I can make an easy $15,000 if I just promote a unknown company that has no reputation. It's crazy. Yeah, it was double the first payout, and people like it. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how much I should say, but I think every person needs to do their own research. Like you do. You are responsible to do your own research. But the only thing I ask is once people like Roderick Castilli and they are promoting these new prop firms, maybe be a little bit cautious next time that he promotes a new prop firm. Maybe be a little, maybe, just maybe. Hey, thank you, Leo. Just wait until those influencers get sued. I mean, here's the thing. In those videos, if they are not disclosing that they're getting paid X amount of dollars just to promote, that is actually illegal. So if that is happening, I'm very suspicious that it is. You're going to have problems. And we're finally breaking out to the upside. All right, can we get through the VWAP? Hey, good morning, Kellyanne. Apex drones are monitoring everyone. Hey, and how we doing? Yep. Okay, Leo, I got your email. I don't want to show if you don't want me to show. Hang on. Leo, are you okay if I show it? Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. That's crazy. That is crazy. I mean, this is from Leo. This is from Elite Trader Funding. You got a payout of 12K approved. Later that day, they send me the email. This screenshot. We've reviewed your account for purpose of onboarding you to our live elite program. However, we see that you are a German citizen. Unfortunately, due to regulations in Germany, citizens are not permitted to participate in third-party proprietary funded trading program like ours. And they're offering you a 10% payout? That is crazy. What? That's so sad. Like at the very least, they should be giving you the full payout. Like there is no reason why they don't just give you the, like, hey, we're sorry, we can't take you to a live account, but here's your full payout. Why would you not do that? Because obviously, here's the problem. If that is how they operate, that was elite trader funding. So if that is how they operate, they obviously are motivated to just filter for people that are out of country. And as soon as they find someone that's out of country, any payout, they just immediately move you to live. Like they act like they're moving you to live, but then they just, oh, never mind. You can't go to live, but here you go. You can have 10% of your profits. Oh, that's crazy. That is crazy terrible. I'm sorry, Leo. That sucks. I mean, I understand that they can't offer you a live account. I understand that part. I get that. But they should at the very least just give you your payout. I mean, it's a payout that you earned. That's the problem. Because I know that some countries you can't go to a live account. But that shouldn't hinder or have anything to do with the profits that you've already made. Exactly, Kellyanne. They shouldn't even sell you evals. Well, I don't even mind. Like I'm okay with them allowing you to make profits, but not if this is how they plan to treat you. That's crazy. But I mean, this is now like the second or third instance of elite trader funding doing something very questionable. And I mean, I've never recommended elite trader funding. They are very sus. And unfortunately, Leo, I don't know that. So I know of one other person that this guy, they treated even worse. They literally just deleted his accounts. He had $80,000 of profits and they just deleted his accounts. That guy went after them and filed a lawsuit, but he got pennies on the dollar as a settlement finally. So I don't know that you're going to have that much success doing a lawsuit, but that's just wrong. I'm sorry, Leo. That sucks. That sucks. I would be furious. Like, I don't get it. Why not give you that? It's only 12,000 though. Like, you would think they can afford that. Why not do the right thing? Yeah, exactly, Peter. The problem is when you get moved to live, but the problem with that is they are obviously motivated to move people to live as soon as someone requests a payout if they know that they can't, No way, Matty Matt. You're at payout on all 20 accounts? Let's go. Let's go, Matty Matt. Let's go. Let's go, Matty Matt. 10K payout request Friday night. Merry Christmas. Let's go. It's for you. It's for you. Love to see it. I love it. Man, we might actually be in for kind of a, I don't even know. This might not be great price action the rest of the day. I'm definitely going to be very, very picky with any setups I take. I just requested a payout at Savius. That sounds weird. I don't even know who they are. Congrats, though, Kellyanne. All right, looks like we're trying to get above that VWAP. It's struggling to get above it, though. Darrell needs to examine every trade very closely. That's right. Now the anal examination. The colonoscopy is about to begin. Yeah, the market will definitely move at 230, but until then, expect it to be kind of ugly price action, or I expect that, but we'll see. We'll just try to be patient. If I see a really good setup, I want to take it, but we might actually size down the 2 contracts here just to be safe. Hey, John, still long Dow. This thing moves so slow. Oh, really? Let me look at the Dow. Is that the YM? No, that's not YM. Is it YM? Yeah, it is YM. YM seems like a crazy person. YM is definitely sisters or brothers with NQ. Has the similar kind of crazy price action. Also, if we look at the 4-hour chart, I was watching this. This is touching this 100 EMA. The daily chart is, I mean, we haven't even made a, it really isn't even a pullback. It's just hanging out at the highs. You bought the overnight open last night and put a stop in yesterday's low. Nice, John. Let's go. I see you still on the same accounts. Yeah, Nicholas. I didn't even realize until yesterday I was looking, and these accounts, I activated these PA accounts in June. At least some of them, not quite all of them. Obviously, these 50K accounts, I just activated those about a month and a half ago. But it is kind of crazy. I didn't even think I've had these accounts now for 6 months. Which I like that part of it. I really like it, but I would like to see myself get a little bit more consistent, get more consistent payouts from these accounts. Basically, my accounts have gone like this: up, down, up, down, up, down. It's like the market right now. It's very choppy. But I am proud of myself that I've held on to these accounts for 6 months. That is, in the prop trading world, that is a long time. Compared to what it used to be for me, it's definitely a long time. All right, trying to get above that 300 level. Here we go. She's trying to push it. Yeah, Grant, I'm trying. I'm trying to just, I mean, the number one thing that I was trying to focus on is just eliminating the blow-ups. Eliminating the blow-up days has been the biggest positive change this year. Like, if I look back, and I'm going to do a recap video on the year 2024, kind of what I learned and things, like the things that I really like what I did was eliminating the blow-up days. And now my goals for 2025 is just to be more consistent with my payouts. Like getting my account trajectory to be going upwards instead of sideways. But yeah, thank you, Grant. And again, the other thing we have to remember is trading, like trading isn't a linear progression. I don't think. I think you can go through times, like every trader is going to go through hard times. We're going to go through slumps. We're going to go through losing streaks. And it's during those losing streaks where risk management is so important. Come on, market. What are we doing? I have no desire to trade this. Just seems very choppy. We are going higher, but if I am live with Apex, Kellyanne, no, I'm not live. Definitely not. Nope. I have this live account is just my personal. This is just my personal live account. I'm trading my personal live account with my Apex accounts. I started out with this shows you how up and down my trading has been with Apex, because I've been trading this live account with Apex, and my original balance was $4,900. I'm surprised given you have live sim for 6 months. I mean, I have, but I haven't been getting payouts. That's the big difference. I mean, I've gotten one payout from these accounts. Well, not even all of the 50K accounts I have not gotten a payout yet, but the 150 accounts and the 250 accounts, I've gotten one payout in the last 6 months. So that's kind of my problem. I've been holding on to the accounts, but I've not been consistently getting payouts. All right, market. You Lord, for your bless. Right here would be kind of tempting to go long, but we're not past 10:30 yet. Hey, Alexander, which trade copy program do I use? I use Replicanto. Yeah, thank you, Kellyanne. Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely happy about that part, but I do want to see more payouts. So the only thing that matters, you do not get, they don't pay you just for keeping accounts. You do need to get payouts for it to matter. But it is still, I'm happy about it though. It's a step in the right direction. All right, this market just kind of starting to do that steady climb higher now. On a previous stream, you mentioned use Guardian Trader to help with tilt and risk management. Yeah, that is what I use. How long did I use GAT for? I used it very, like I would use it where I would have my risk parameters set up in Guardian Angel Trader. I probably used it for 3 months that I had it set up like that. But I don't use that anymore. I do use Guardian Angel Trader just to lock myself out for the day, but I don't have it directly tied to my risk management. I just lock myself out. What is my Tradify code? I think it's NBT Justice. I'm still getting it set up, but you can try it. I'm not sure if it's working. But thank you, Justice. I appreciate that. On a previous stream, you mentioned you use Guardian Angel Trade. Oh, never mind. What's my opinion about Take Profit Trader? Pros and cons, man. I have a love-hate relationship with Take Profit Trader. I have a love-hate relationship with them. There's nothing wrong with Take Profit Trader, first and foremost. I mean, I don't like the fact that they have a hard breach on their data loss limit. I don't like the fact that you will lose your account if you have a trade open after 5 p.m. I don't like the fact that they don't just automatically close it for you. Those things I definitely don't like, but hey, it is what it is. It's their rules. I've struggled, man. Take Profit Trader is the one prop firm that I have not been able to get payouts. So I kind of have a personal beef with them where I did pass 4 more. I passed 5. I need to, the one Take Profit Trader account I need to trade tomorrow yet. And then I will have 550K Take Profit Traders. Basically, I'm trying to get everything set up for 2025. And I'm going to hopefully have 20 Apex accounts, 5 Take Profit Trader accounts, 7 Tradify accounts, and hopefully 3 My Funded Future accounts. Though, on an update on the My Funded Future accounts, we have an update. I had to do a reset. I got greedy. Yesterday, and this sell-off yesterday, it just did a number on me. This where is this sell-off? Right here. This sell-off and then this sell-off. I had the account $1,500 away. No, I had it $3,000 away. And I just got greedy. I should have called it a day, and I didn't. I kept trading it, and I thought I'm going to try to pass it yesterday, and got too greedy, and I lost it. We blew it. So now I need to do a reset on the My Funded Futures. I'm still waiting. I'm not sure when I'm going to do that, But that's my goal. My goal is to have 7 Tradify, 5 Take Profit, 3 My Funded Futures, and 20 Apex. I don't know what that adds up to, but we have 20 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3. So that would be 35 accounts. My goal is to have 35 funded accounts for 2025. And I've yet to decide officially on how I'm going to trade those, that's to be determined yet. But my hope is slow and steady. Yeah, tell me about it, Kellyanne. I actually went to reset the My Funded Futures, and I'm like, I did a double take. I'm like, geez, that's expensive. It's literally the same price as buying a new account. I'm like, man, I don't know that I want to. I'm going to take a minute to think about it. If I would have known that, maybe I wouldn't have gone on. Maybe I wouldn't have tried to keep passing it yesterday. Now that I know that, I will. I'll definitely be a little more careful on this next go around. Yeah, I heard, Kelly, and it sounds like My Funded Future is going to be changing their price. So I kind of want to pass them before that. I don't know. I don't know. Guess we'll wait and see. Is the contract rollover? I rolled over yesterday, Rice Shack. I rolled over yesterday. Do you also have a take profit code? I think the take profit code is Nutty Bar. Nutty Bar's in all caps, I believe. I need to just update, do all my codes. I don't know. I need to officially decide if I'm gonna be. Am I gonna promote 5, 6, 7 different prop firms? I don't know. I guess I might as well if I'm going to be trading them, but there's pros and cons with that. All right, market, do something. Oh, really, Kellyanne? But I thought it sounded like the new plans are not going to be as good. I thought the new is not going to be as good anymore. Hey, good morning, Rosie Rose. Good to see you. Can't wait for my recap. Yeah, I want to do a recap. I'm going to break it down. I want to show my payouts. I'm going to show literally proof because I've heard some rumblings and some people want to doubt or question that I've received my payouts from trading. So I'm going to show proof of everything, and I'm going to show, just show it, and then do a recap of, heading into 2025, what my goals are, what I learned for 2024, and I definitely learned a lot, and I definitely feel like I improved, which is great, really good. It's motivating to see progress. Even though we're not where we want to be, just the fact that we can see some progress is very motivating. Makes me want to keep going. No, I didn't, Dave Mack. We're at 196. Oh, I just thought about something. Dang it. I forgot to my UProfit account. I can request $2,000 more. So I might as well do it. And so we're probably going to end the year if I get approved on the UProfit. I'll probably get approved at the end of I'll probably end the year at 198. Nutty's a shower, not a grower. Oh man. I don't know if that's a compliment. I think it is. I'm not even sure. All right, here we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, payout submitted for UProfit. Hopefully that usually takes 2 days to get approved, so probably Friday before we get approved on that. But so it means if we get approved on Friday, then we have to have 5 more traded days. Friday, how is the Christmas holiday? I assume that there's 1, 2, yeah, there's just no, I don't think there's a way that I'm going to be able to get another payout approval. What are we going to do, Alpine? How we doing, Alpine? Good morning. Everybody gets a free car, Alpine. I'm going to go to Amazon and I'm going to buy a 1/8 scale car and everyone gets a new car. You get a car. You get a car. All right, the market just slowly going higher. Nothing crazy, but we are going higher. You know what I could do? Oh man, now I just had a bad thought. I just had a bad thought. You know what we could do? I could reset those My Fund of Future accounts and try to pass them on the FOMC. Interesting. I'll take a radio control car. Hey, sounds great, Alpine. Man, I gotta think about that. Maybe I should do that. Wait, just to confirm, you can pass My Fund of Futures in one day, right? But man, that's expensive. That's $660 if we don't. So of course we all understand we could blow that just as easily. It's going to be a very risky proposition. It's going to be risky. So yeah, I could pass in one day. Man, that's tempting. Do I want to do it? Yeah, it's like breaking a Mustang on a FOMC. It's passing one day, end of day drawdown, right? So I would need to get $9,000 profit target on FOMC with my Fund of Futures. Ooh. Let me think about it. Yeah, well, isn't isn't profit trade from people that left Tick? Yeah, we're either going to pass or pass out. Yeah, I know, Alpine. Remember, Alpine, I was talking about it earlier. Do you remember, Alpine, do you remember Roderick Castilli was doing he was the one that introduced profit trade. He did an introductory video on profit trade and then, hey, double your payouts. We'll get double your first payouts. It's like so, like as soon as a prop firm does that, I immediately have red flags. Immediately. I don't see how people don't, but anyway. I rest my case. Yeah, Daryl. Agreed. It's sad to see, honestly. Is it 10:30 yet? Nope, not yet. I am not allowed to trade yet. I do not have permission from the master. I don't know. Something tells me we're going to roll over here at some point, but we'll see. If you didn't get a payout from a prop firm and have a link, I just shake my head. Yeah, exactly. My thing is always like with the prop firm space that we're in right now, if a prop firm comes out and is promoting no rules, then it's immediately a red flag because in today's environment, the legitimate prop firms all have rules to follow. And once a prop firm starts coming out promoting no rules, guess what will happen? Basically, you're advertising to the sharks that, hey, sharks, there's blood in the water over here. And all the prop firm sharks will flock to that prop firm and you will get eaten alive. You will not survive. So, yeah, profit trade is gone. Gone, as in gone. As in no longer with us. It's up to people if they want to buy prop accounts. You can't really blame Rod for doing that. Yes, you can, Kellyanne. I mean, I know we have difference of opinion on that, but okay, I don't know how to say this without, I don't want to get in trouble here, but He was, if they're getting paid an X amount of dollars to promote product, there comes a, there's issues. Like, there are some things that if you knowingly have, like, I know that people are not knowingly doing it, and I'm not saying he'll get in trouble legally, but his reputation is on the line. Like, as an affiliate, your reputation is at stake. If you keep promoting prop firms that keep going belly up, then don't be shocked if your reputation takes a severe hit, and it should, because it shows that either you have a lack of knowledge and understanding to be aware of what you're promoting, or you just don't care. It's one or the other, but either one is going to be a hit to your reputation. But exactly, Alpine. Do you know how many sponsorships and money that was turned down to promote these new prop firms? We had an opportunity to promote, we didn't. So, I mean, I'm not, you know, there's repercussions that come with it. That's all I'm saying. I do agree that every person should do their own research, 100%. I do agree with that, but I don't know. I just have a hard time, I guess. I don't know. It is what it is. To each their own. But I cringe when I see streamers and influencers just promoting every single prop firm that's out there. To me, that's cringy. Like, because, I don't know, but again, that's just me. To each his own. Hey, Remus, how we doing? What you're saying means that if Apex rug pulls, that is your fault. I'm not saying that it's my fault that if, let's say Apex does rug pull. I'm not saying it's my fault, but you know what? I would feel terrible. And my reputation would take a severe hit if that would happen. And that is fair. I don't think that's unfair. Like, I think that would be fair to me, and I would expect it, which means if I would be suspicious or suspect about it, then I would, you know, I would take the precautions. But obviously, I don't think that's going to happen. But I mean, yeah, I could definitely be wrong, but I do also think that with that, there should be some repercussions if it happens. Whether you agree with it or not, I think it happens. My opinion is formed with the idea that it cannot happen to me. Not at all. I didn't say that. I didn't say that it can't happen, but there's a difference, Kellyanne, between promoting a prop firm that's been established and been paying out people, you know, $40-50 million a month versus jumping on every single new prop firm that, you know, like, we have the history, we have the data points now that new prop firms are suspect to failing. And if a new prop firm is offering no rules and multiple accounts, we now have the data that there is a big chance that that prop firm will fail. So now that we have those data points and knowledge, and you still knowingly promote those products and those new prop firms, that's on you. Like, that is not the same thing. What is going? These prices are insane. Worldwide imports. I mean, I'm hoping the sale will, I'm sure we'll see a sale before Christmas again. I'm hoping. Yeah, Mr. Wall Street. There's no liability to promoting a prop firm. That's a myth, I think. Yeah, exactly, Alpine. I got a question. Is there a prop firm that lets you trade options, Brandon? No, not that I'm aware of. If you're promoting a new prop firm, you're doing it for the money because there's no way you know it's safe to promote. Exactly, Go Ahead Trades. You don't have the history. I mean, you actually have the reverse of a history. Like, you know that a new prop firm right now, if a new prop firm that doesn't offer trade of 8 and is offering multiple accounts and is offering with not many rules, like, those are literally 4 red flags right there. And if you decide to ignore those red flags and promote anyway, then you should face some ridicule. I'm in my opinion. Yeah, Carter, I agree. If Apex prices your payouts seems legit and it works for years, if it rug pulls, it would be a surprise. Different thing is just promoting things you've never seen or used. Yeah, Jose. Basically, what I'm saying, yeah, like, we have a history that Apex has been around for a long time. They've been paying out a lot of people. Yes. Do they deny people? Yes, of course. You know, if people break the rules, they get denied. Now, you know, don't freak out on me now. I do think that some false denials have happened, and hopefully that will get rectified, but it's, you know, there's a big difference between that and then promoting a new prop firm that is offering, hey, we'll double your payouts, your first payout, double your payouts. And then 2 months later, they go belly up. I mean, that's if you don't understand the difference between that, I don't know, man. I can't help you. We also have a history of denials and retroactive rule changes. Yeah, keep that same. We also have a history of them paying out more than any other prop firm. So you can keep, I mean, you know that road is not going to end at all. But what my point is, you can't compare that with a profit trade or a fast track trading. You just can't. We're gonna be on AI TV again. I want to do, okay. If you're listening, what is that channel name? I want a petition for a new AI. I need a new AI character. Okay. I want a petition for a new AI character. They did me dirty, man. Did you see how they made Patrick look? Like, they made Patrick look all cool and everything. Come on. They totally did me dirty. I want a petition for a revisit that AI character, if you're listening. However, if they just close it down and stiff everyone, people would be looking to sue just to respond to the lawsuit. Will crush you. But what are they? I guess Wall Street. Why would they sue? I mean, why wouldn't they sue the person that's closing the door? I guess is my question. Yeah, they made Kellyanne look like a supermodel. Like, what are we like? I'm catching strays here, left and right. I'm catching strays. Yeah, I was hairy. I was a hairy person. Like, look at my arms. I'm not even a hairy person, okay? I have very normal body hair, okay? You want me to take my shirt off and show you guys? I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that to you. Shirtless stream coming next week. That will probably get me on the news. Yeah, Kellyanne looks like a supermodel. I'm secretly starting to think that Kellyanne is somehow behind the scenes in charge of that channel. Yeah, I'll find. We'll start an OnlyFans. Oh man. Uh, but hey, I give those guys a lot of credit. Those guys are doing what I've been saying someone should do for like months. Months and months ago, I was saying someone needs to start a channel where they literally just review the drama in the prop firm industry. I'm telling you. And they're doing it. And hey, I give them props. I got no issues with them. Yeah, it is pretty funny. The whole Rips and Patrick Whelan drama. Ay, 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 ay. Talk about. I tell you what, I told my wife the prop firm industry is worse than Desperate Housewives. Do I have to activate my PA in 48 hours? No, Ron. You have 30 days to activate, and then you actually have longer than then. What channel are we talking about, Jamie? The one that does the news, like the AI characters. Um, yeah. I'll find. uh, I share similar stories. Yeah, that's pretty. I mean, I don't know, man. It's pretty interesting development between Rips and Patrick Whelan, but hey, it's past 10:30, guys. We are now legally allowed to take a trade. Legally, we can now enter a trade. Technically, could have gotten a long right here on the 306s. This price, it seems to have died. But we are just slowly grinding higher. Very slowly, though. Let's see if we can break through that 320 area. There we go. 319s, 320s. There she goes. It's very choppy, though. Market is very grindy. Very grindy today. You waiting for a set of the 26? Oh, the 826s? Copy that. Honestly, I'm not even sure what I'm looking for. At this point, I guess we have to look for a long. It makes me a little nervous, though. Yeah, it's a painfully grinding higher. If you're short, it's painful. It's a wedge. All right, let's see. Let's see if we break out here. Get above that 330 maybe. What in the world is our neighbor? Sounds like our neighbor's cutting down a tree. Hey, how we doing, M. Susan? Can someone share the name of the AI channel? Let me see if I can find it. All right, we continuing higher here, 322s. Thanks to them, I went on tilt and blew a bunch of accounts today. Oh, Takamara, I'm sorry, man. Yeah, something like that happens. Sometimes it's best to take the day off, but that's unfortunate. Hey, Robbie M. Hey, how we doing? Just me and my girl next door? Let's go, Robbie. Yeah, I'm kind of suspect that I don't know. Feel like this when we have this slow grind higher, it keeps doing it, and then all of a sudden it'll just give us one big 50-point red candle. I'm always suspicious. But until proven otherwise, kind of have to look for a long here. Just want to see it pull back a little bit more. Second prop firm that scammed me out of my payouts. Tagamora, I'm sorry, man. Try it. I mean, stick with the reputable prop firms. Avoid the new prop firms. That's all I can say. Hey, there we go at the 330s and climbing. There she goes. Making that move higher. We got to be bullish, I guess. So, oh, through the 330s now. Come on, give me a pullback. Can she do it? Man, that would have been a nice entry right here at the 307s. Would have been nice. I submitted a payout request yesterday and it was approved this morning. How much money? 800, Gutenberg. Nicely done, Gutenberg. Congratulations. Well done. Congratulations. Let's go. Nice payout. Nice approval. Hey, plus 425 on the 5 new PAs. Nicely done, Orlando. Let's go. Let's go. Man, what a nice move here. We're not getting much of a pullback either. Really curious what FOMC is going to look like. Really curious. Hey, take care, Blaze. Take care. Nicely done, Shane. Nicely done. What do I think about Tradeify, prop firm? I mean, I am using Tradeify. I do think, I mean, I like what I've seen from them. I feel like they're doing it the right way. But I mean, that's where, like, it's kind of where they're still new, but I feel like they're doing things the right way, so I'm giving them a chance. I'm using them. I've gotten 2 payouts from them now. Patrick Whelan said he loves me. Oh, we love Patrick. What is he? By the way, I didn't even confirm. When is the new what are they calling it? The streamer awards? The trading awards? I don't even know what is it called. There's Patrick Whelan. Exactly. Tell me, Patrick, they did me dirty. I'm telling you, I need it. I need a signed petition. I need to start a petition. I need my AI character needs to be redone. All I'm gonna say, because I'm not even that hairy. Look at me. That's not hairy. I mean, they did me dirty. Totally did me dirty. I'm over here just catching strays. I'm just over here minding my own business, and they go and do me like that. It's unfortunate. You forgot to tell. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys the AI channel. Hang on. I got distracted. I was looking for it. Where is it? What is the channel? What is that channel name? Does someone remember? Hey, KM, good to see you. Good to see you. You're welcome. The market tricked you today? Yeah. Hey, Swift FX. Thank you, Swift FX. I appreciate the compliment. um by the way, Patrick, if you're still in here, when does the voting, when does that end? Okay, we're getting a little bit of a pullback here, but thank you, thank you. Thank you, Martin. All right, there. That's the link for the channel. Hey, French futures trader, thank you. I know. What trade copper do I use? I use Replicanto. I'm being called out to the warehouse. Hang on, I gotta tune into what's being said. What am I missing? Yes, you're welcome, Jamie. I gotta find out what are the benefits. What are the benefits of trading from the warehouse? That's what we need to. That's what we need to know. Will there be like an automatic free Lambo, or? Hey, Carolina, how we doing? You couldn't find it. It feels like that it feels like that channel is kind of being shadow banned because I could not find it either. And I subscribed. I subscribed and I had a hard time finding it. But that is the link. Any update on the Apex sale? I mean, all I know is right now there's only a 50% sale going, and I would assume that there's a better one coming, but who knows? We gotta wait and see. Yeah, it is really funny. It is really funny, and I appreciated how they portrayed, like, I mean, I know a lot of people might disagree with what I said in that video, but I stand behind it. That's exactly how I feel. So at least they portrayed me like correctly, but my AI character, they just need to calm it down with the hair. That's all. That's all I'm asking. Exactly, Ben. They did me dirty. It's not cool, man. I'm gonna change my channel to that thumbnail. That would be funny. Okay, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, the my funded futures. Oh man, what are we gonna do? They made Jay a cussing Disney princess. I mean, I feel like they're portraying people like pretty accurately when it comes to like, okay, at least they're not like showing it out of context, so to speak. Can you give a tour of your chart trader? It's so different from the stock ninja trader. I mean, it's pretty simple. Here's your bid ask like normal. The buy click, sell click is really nice because you just click on it and it'll place a buy stop order or a limit order if you go below price. Actually, we might enter right here. This is actually a good entry here. If we get filled. We are in, folks. We want you to go higher. Please. Please go up. I am going to... Man, I hate where my stop is here. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, we were talking about my funded futures. If I want to reset and try again today. Do I want to do it? Do I want to do it? I don't know why this trade has me so nervous, but it does. I might get a premature exit here. I'm out. I do not like it. I just don't like that at all. I might be wrong. Don't like it. Don't like it. We're gonna get out of it. This might be the start of it rolling over. It could be. We've seen this movie before. We have seen it in the past where it will kind of, then it'll just slowly roll over. And I hate that type of price action. Geez. Good entry. Oh, I don't know. 2 weeks, my payout was approved and haven't received it yet, and 1 week since I emailed support. Min, who is that? That's with Apex? That's really weird. That sounds like there might be an issue with your how you set up your payout. Oh man. Oh wow, look at that. We did the right thing. We got out prematurely, but it was the right move. Now, will this continue lower? I'm sorry. I mean, if you want to send me an email, I can try to help you out. I can try to put you in touch with someone. Send me an email, Amin, and I'll do what I can. No promises, but I can at least try. And yeah, just send me an email with a screenshot of your approval and everything, and that will help expedite the process. But I'm sorry going through it. That sucks. But it sounds, usually what happens when that happens is there's some kind of issue with your payout method. Okay, now we're trying. Okay, this is interesting now. If this gets back above this 40, where did I have my stop loss? Did someone, I need to go back on the stream. I need to see this. So my stop was at the 312. I guess we would still be in this trade. It would not have stopped me out yet. Yet. Yeah, yep. Hey, Sharu's long here. How old I am, try me? Yeah, I'm 41 years old. It's just a number, though. With my first payout with TopStep, it took 10 days. Wow, that's crazy. Oh, I see. You had a different email with Wise. I see. Yeah, once the first payout happens, it is a lot smoother. I do agree. It's time to retire. Oh no. I'm a long way from retirement. A long way. I could see myself, I'm dead serious when I say I could see myself being a day trader until I'm like 65 years old. For real. I can see myself doing this as a grandpa. And I'll be talking to all you young whippersnappers. All right, Mark, this thing is starting to look like it wants to rip it. She wants to rip it. See now, if I'm being honest right here, I kind of want to take a short. Oh my gosh, I want to do it. I better not. That would not be going with my trade or my strategy, but seen this movie too many times when we start to just bleed lower. Oh, I want to go short, but I shouldn't. The speculative trade. I can't help it. I'm going to do it. If I'm wrong here, I might need to not trade the rest of the day. I might be wrong. I might be wrong. This might be a bad idea. Oh my goodness. All right, Nutty. Nutty's trading out of. It's not ideal. Need this to reject right here. Or we might need to just kill this. Some bad speculation trades. Yeah, we messed up. I think. Come on, reject. Man, I could have my stop up here, but why did I take this trade? This is not great. We have a chance here. If we can reject through the 330s. Come on, right here. We gotta go. Gotta drop it hot. Drop it like it's hot. All right, I just get out now? Question mark. I feel like the trade now is working the way it should, but it's very questionable. Okay, I did not like that. Give me out. Just get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Thank you. I just wanted to get out of one. Now we can be patient and hopefully this will sell off. Hopefully. Oh, I really want this to like drop down below that 320. If we go below, then I feel like we have a chance to hit my target. Okay, right here. Do it. Do it. Come on. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. It was because I said I can't help it. Kind of true. Come on, right here. We got to go. That's my boy. That's my boy. Go, yes. Go, go, baby, go. Drop it like it's hot. Come on. No, bad girl. I'm not going to let this go against me that much. Or am I? Come on, man. It's giving me the hope and nope. Let's not do the hope and nope strategy. No, 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 no. All right, we got to protect ourselves here. Oh, my stars. This is a... Should have just taken my profits down there. That was stupid. That was dumb. That was dumb. Or maybe it wasn't. Give me hope. Give me hope. Ooh, I like that. Sell it. Sell it. Oh, yes. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Come on. You almost hit me. Just fill me right there. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Come on. Do I need to close this? Nope, we're good. Booyah! All right, we're still in a trade. It's fine. Everybody calm down. Boom. You love to see it. You love to see it. Wow, this is really selling off now. And now we wait. Nutty trades well when it's not his birthday. The market just likes me more when it's not my birthday. Market is not a fan of my birthday. That has been confirmed. Man, this is continuing to sell off here. Ryan, what strategy I used on that? Well, honestly, I didn't really like. This is technically like the reversal strategy when we make new highs and we failed to make new highs here, and we failed to make new highs again here. Technically, this was a premature entry based on basically speculation trade, but I don't know. I've just seen that movie so many times. After we fail, make a big push higher, then we fail to make new highs, and then we roll over. Yeah, note to self, do not catch the knife blade down. That's right. How do I add the click to buy button on the chart trader, Jonathan Rodriguez? That is an indicator, a chart trader from Affordable Indicators. Hey, thank you, Ryan. And down we go. It is just dropping. Big sell-off, man, oh man. I'm not going to be too upset. We got our target hit. Could have definitely held for a bigger move, but it's all right. My Apex code is not working. Do you mean it's not working as in it's not giving you 80% off? Right now, it's only 50% off. Yeah, same, Captain Crunch. I wish I would have held that short for a little longer. Same. Yeah, the codes right now, Apex is only offering 50% off right now. That is across the board. Do I not have? Oh, sorry. I have my description not updated. Sorry about that. I will update that right now. I did not mean it. Sorry about that, S. I forgot to update my description on the live stream. Fufurar, I've just never really had a lot of success with trailing my stop, but just don't have much success on it. Seems like trail it too tight. I don't know. So I started just take my profits and live with the results. All right, is this gonna just continue to roll over here? I mean, I feel like it might. FOMC minutes, this might just continue to roll over. It's starting to really tempt me to jump in. It is looking bearish. She is looking bearish. 5-minute chart looks extremely bearish. Down, down we go. See, are we going to get a pump higher here, or is this just going to continue going lower? Man, oh man, I might just jump in here again. And if we get any kind of bounce here, I'm going to short it. I think. It's all big sell-off, man. Hey, let's go, Black Coffee. Nicely done. Good to see you, Black Coffee. How we doing? Good morning. Yeah, I should. I think about that too. I should maybe just call it a day. Two decent days in a row. Not a terrible way, not a terrible idea to walk away. Oh man, I'm so tempted to take one more stab short. Man. Okay, this is probably a bad idea. I'm going to be very careful here. I'm going to be very careful here. I'm looking more like this is a scalp. Gotta give it. All right, we're just gonna take that off. That's basically a little scalp. Now it's time to walk away. Now it's time to walk away. Time to walk away. We got out of that one just in time. We were playing with fire. We were playing with fire on that one, and it's time to walk away. Call it a day. Hey, I think we're very close to being green for the week. Actually, we might be green for the week. No, Amakre. I started with $5,000 on my live account. So I'm technically have now made $8. Wah, we made $8. Let's go. I'm gonna be rich. I'm gonna be rich. Man. Hey, I'll take break even though. I'll want to withdraw that $8 and buy Wendy's. I love it. Foo raw. All right. All right, guys. I think actually I'm gonna end stream. I'm gonna shut it down. There is a chance that I come back on stream. There is a chance that I will stream for the 2 o'clock FOMC. Right now, I would say there's like a 50-50 chance. 50-50. But yeah, let's end the day, man. I love it. Hopefully we can continue this the next 2 days. That would be awesome. So thank you, everyone. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Appreciate every one of you. We'll be back tomorrow if we're not back to this afternoon. Take care. I hope you guys are all green. Take care and God bless. Also, hit the like button on your way out.